I mean, I think maybe one thing that sometimes I like to describe like our approach as this sort of pragmatic utopian, in the sense that, like you say, if you look at the sort of architectural business or the architectural profession, the sort of 95% of everything that gets built is sort of relatively boring. It's done by sort of like rational, professional offices, and it's sort of nice and predictable. And then you have sort of the avant-garde, which is more sort of, they get their inspiration from French philosophy or the Kabbalah or like computer technology or whatever. And it's this sort of very expressive, perhaps very eccentric architecture that is interesting because it doesn't really deal with many aspects of reality, such as technical or economical limitations, and very little of that actually gets built because it is in a way sort of disassociated from reality. Mm-hmm. And I think what we like to do is sort of to be interested in neither of these two extremes, but sort of really to make sort of a thorough interest in the real forces in the world, like the political spectrum, the economical limitations, the technical possibilities, and use that as the driving force of the design. So I think you'll see that most of our projects, they tend to explore a certain territory, and the project itself is more like conducting an experiment to see what happens if you take this issue to an extreme.